Alrighty, y'all. So, welcome to the video, right? I just want to touch on how to make friends in 2023 if you're not in college. Whether you're young, old, middle aged, or whatever it may be. And the very first thing that I'm going to touch on is your energy. How are you walking around? Are you walking around mean mugging like the world is coming down on you? Glaring at the screen, glaring at people, being closed off headphones in your ears, walking around with your phone out? Or are you walking around attentive, confident, smiling, happy? Hey, good morning. Hey, hello, how's it going? Are you introducing yourself to people? Walking up to, say, I don't know, Andrew across the street, you know, or some rando across the street. Hey, sir, how's it going? Name's Will. Nice to meet you. And you shake your hand. It's basic social skills, guys. It's basic social skills. So that's the very first thing. How's your energy? Excuse me. Now, the second thing that I want to touch on is how are you dressing, right? Are you dressing around like how you dress is a representation of how you feel on the inside, right? I'm just an Uber delivery driver on the side, right? And I had a lady who came up to me and was like, "Wow, you're dressed like this when you're out just going out and doing orders and stuff like that. How come?" I'm like, "Well, it's just how I feel because I was walking around in a really nice white polo, some white Nikes, and some black dress pants, some black slacks, right? So how you walk around and dress is how people are gonna treat you. You know, like another thing that I want to touch on as far as making friends, what kind of value do you add to other people? What can you do for other people? You know what I'm saying? Are you one of those people who's just in there just to take, 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 take? Are you responsible? Are you respectable? Do you have good integrity? Do you operate off the golden rule? The basic golden rule is treat other people how do you want to be treated. So you want that person to go over here and smile at you and say good morning, but you won't do it yourself? I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? So that's really about all. It's about how you dress. It's about how you carry yourself. Are you talking to people? Are you in social groups to where you're going to the gym and working out with people? Are you going out? Are you going to amusement parks? And this is okay if you sit here and go out there and be alone while doing it. But when you're out and alone, a good idea would be to jump into a group of people while they're there. Approach that group of people. Do it while nervous. Do it while you're bad. Do it however you want to, as long as you sit there and go out there and do it. Because at the end of the day, if you're not putting yourself out there, it's not gonna happen for you. That's all that matters. Get yourself in front of people. My bad, y'all. Get yourself in front of people. You want to build yourself up. What kind of value do you add? How are you dressing? Positive energy. That's all it really is. And once when you get those fundamentals down of, oh, hey, good morning, I'm smiling at you, people are going to reciprocate that. And from there, you can go forward. You know what I'm saying? So that's really about all. I mean, it's a 3-minute video because that's the only thing I had to talk about. And honestly, if you just adopt this. Oh, and one more thing. And I probably screamed a little loud, but hey, I don't know how this stuff works. I'm new to this. But one last thing. Never mind. I lost it. Anyways, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got some value from it. And yeah, have a great one.